This is a final video to fix the crashing issue in Assassin's Creed Valhalla, so you can finally stop searching for answers. Do you face this exact problem where your game suddenly closes or freezes while you play? This annoying glitch happens because your computer system struggles to communicate with the game files correctly. Most solutions on YouTube or social media feel way too confusing or take too long to follow. Rexis is here to help you with 4 proven methods to fix this problem once and for all. I guarantee that at least one of these 4 secrets will work for you, even if your game crash feels very critical. You should pause the video right now to try these steps one by one, or take clear screenshots of what you see. We keep these methods simple, so you do not have to guess what to do next. Do not worry about technical details, because these 4 ways solve the root cause of the error. Follow the method steps exactly as they appear on the screen to get back to your game right now.